for an apron.
But as y'all can see, we had some seafood in the bag. And this is my NFT page. Just in case y'all didn't know, go ahead and support your boy. You know, I go through everywhere around the world taking pictures of birds, animals, beaches, all kind of things, of photography, videography. These are a couple shots of my drone. And if you can't afford a couple of NFTs, you know, your support as far as my Etsy page would be greatly appreciated too, you know. A couple of digital photos for you and your family, loved ones, and friends. And support your boy. Follow my page. Greatly appreciate it. Y'all have a good day.